Hey there, today I have a really quick video for you. I just ordered a few things from Stitch Fix using their freestyle option. Yeah, so they did have some sales going on, so I decided to take advantage of that and get a few things. Also, my last Stitch Fix was kind of a bust, so I decided that I'd try to find some items just off of their website and see if I have more luck that way. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbag this and see what I got. Yeah, so for the freestyle, everything just comes in this bag. And the items aren't nicely wrapped like if you did like a fix. It looks like it's just all kind of just thrown in. Oh, and then they do have a prepaid label, so you just reuse your bag that it came in to send anything back. Yes, I just got 3 items and I spent a total of $135.03, and everything I got was discounted, and I can't remember what the exact discount was, but it was at least like 20 or 30% off. Okay, so anyway, the first item I got was this top. And yeah, I know I have a lot of white t-shirt tops, but this one was a little different. And it's by Design History, and it's the Francesca Mixed Media Scoop Net Knit Top, and I got it in a size small in the color white, and it was $34.99. So $34.99 for this top, and you'll see it is mixed media, so the sleeves are like a different cotton material, and they look a little wrinkly, but yeah, let's see how it looks. It has like a scoop neck, and the knit is kind of a rib material. Yeah, I thought this was cute, so I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, and next I got this sweater jacket. And yeah, I know I have a lot of jackets. This is by Montgomery Post, and it's the Jade collared sweater jacket in black, size small, and I got it for $40.99. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty good price. It's kind of a heavier jacket though. Yeah, you really can't tell what the material is going to be like just looking at the picture. But yeah, we'll try it on. I'm not sure about this one. I think it feels a little heavy. And lastly, I got this top. Not sure. Look better in the picture. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is by Sanctuary. And this is the Beach to Bar blouse, size small, in blue. And the sale price on this was $52.97. Yeah, so it was a little on the expensive side, but it is by Sanctuary, and I do like that brand. I think it's a good brand. And I thought this was kind of just a nice basic looking casual top. But anyway, yeah, I'm not too sure about my picks, but we'll see. Okay, but anyway, that's all the things that I purchased this time from Stitch Fix, the freestyle. So now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and I'll try to style it myself and see how they look and if they're worth keeping. Okay, so here is that first top. Yeah, it's actually pretty cute. It's cuter than I thought, and actually these sleeves are pretty cute, and it does make a little noise because it's like cotton, but yeah, I think it's cute. Not bad. Yeah. Okay, so I just wore it out like this just to show you the length, but let's try to style this. So yeah, I think I probably would just front tuck this, or I guess you could tuck it in, because I don't know, I heard the front tuck might be out of style already, but hopefully not. And yeah, let's just add a purse. I think this is actually cute. This is a cute casual look, and I do mostly go for casual looks these days. So yeah, I think this is cute. I think this is probably a keeper, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, and here is that same top. I just decided to try it on with these other jeans, and these are my Anthropologie jeans that I do really like. And I just tucked it in to these jeans, and I think that also looks nice instead of the front tuck. So yeah, this is just kind of a basic t-shirt with a little something extra to make it a little special, I think. So let's also try this sweater. Okay, and here is that sweater jacket. Yeah, and it is a little big, I think. The sleeves are definitely big. We can try to roll them up. Yeah, the sleeves are a little long, but I guess you can just cuff them. It's a very warm jacket. So if I were living, say, on the mainland, I probably would make some good use out of it. But yeah, I don't know, it's a little heavy. But I think this is cute. It's pretty refined. I think the price was like $40, which is not bad. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to think about this. Let's see if we can style it differently. Okay, so here it is, styled a little differently. I have it with some white jeans, and these are Paige denim jeans that were very expensive. I don't want to say how much they were, that I got from Anthropologie, not on sale. And also this white striped top that I picked up recently from Ross that was $10. But I've actually worn this several times already, and I really like it. So you never know where you can find things. Like, you can mix the expensive with the inexpensive, and I think you can come up with a nice look. But yeah, I think this jacket, it looks pretty nice, I would say, with this ensemble, but it's just a little hot. I'm already sweating. Okay, but anyway, yeah, not bad. I think I'm gonna have to think about this jacket. One, it's a little big. Two, it's a little warm, but not too bad, I think. Okay, and here is the Sanctuary top. Yeah, and this was like a $52 top on sale, so it was kind of expensive. But I thought, you know, that's a really good brand, right? Sanctuary, so maybe it's worth the splurge. But it's just too huge. What was I thinking? I think I got a size small, but maybe I should have gotten an extra small. But it almost seems like it might even be 2 sizes too big. So, I like the style. It could be cute, but yeah, it's just too huge. But let's try to style it anyway. And then, see, that's probably what I was going for, but unfortunately, this top is huge. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I mean, for me, most likely I'll be keeping this white top because I thought, yeah, it's cute, and I'm pretty sure I can wear it. You'll probably see it in one of my videos upcoming one day. I don't know if you noticed, I like white tops. For some reason, I just gravitate towards white. Yeah, it's not always the most practical color because if I eat spaghetti or something, it's easy to stain. But yeah, I like white. As far as the other items, this was, I think this is pretty nice, but it's just too warm, I think, for me, and a little bit too heavy, and also too big. And I looked up the return policy for these freestyles, so I think you have 30 days. So when you log onto the website or go on the app, you'll have that return option, and I think it's for up to 30 days. So that's actually pretty good because, you know, with the fixes you have 3 days, but you can extend. But 30 days is pretty standard if you just buy something off a website. And lastly, the Sanctuary top. You know, I do think this is a nice style, but yeah, it's just huge. I was so surprised at how big it was, you know, for a small. I mean, it almost looks like a large, yeah. But let me know what you guys think. Now that I know I have 30 days, I have time to think about it. Also, just to let you know, I have another fix coming. Since my other fix was kind of a bust, when I checked out and I didn't order anything, there was an option to do a quick turnaround fix. So I did, and I also got the preview, and this time I selected 8 items out of the 10. So more to see and more chances to be able to do a 5 for 5, because that for me is the goal, that you can get 5 items and get 25% off. And I do like actually that Stitch Fix sends you 8 items instead of 5, so you have, you know, more to choose from, I think. But anyway, that's all I have for this video. And now it's time to say goodbye. And I know I've had Kaya on several times, but you know, I've had requests and people really do love this dog, so I am going to bring Kaya again. And here is Miss Kaya. And actually, in what time? Oh, in about an hour and a half, we're gonna go take you to the groomer. So she's gonna get very beautiful. Like after she gets groomed, she gets bows in her hair and she just looks so pretty. I think she's pretty, but she gets even prettier. Right, Kaya? Right. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Goodbye.